Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs Buffet to what the winning goals. We are so happy. We are so happy to see our team winning like this. No one was expecting this, but it happened. As the coach said last time when he was asked about how is he going to manage this, is he going to lose or is he going to win? And he said it with the confidence to say, "This one is ours." What I can say, guys, let's support our team. Let's support Kaizer Chiefs. Let's support our players as well, because we have to give credit to them. The other thing I'm so happy about the players that we were waiting for, like Uvele Bai. For me, I think he made a mistake to put Umodi instead of Uvele Bai, because he was supposed to keep Umodi. I mean, to keep Vilagazi, and then by the time he replaced Ulilepa, I was waiting to see him putting Velepai, because Velepai is skillful and is quick, and he makes his passes very early. He's not the same like these other guys who are taking long to do our passes. And the other thing, to put Matlo, man, Matlo, I don't know if it's his height, because he's not good when he's playing at the center. At least when he's forward, maybe when he's playing number 8, I think he's better there, because of he's very tall and then he's slow in terms of tripping and passing is slow due to his tallness. But what I can say, guys, well done to Kaizer Chiefs. Well done. I was waiting also to see Umabo, because we were waiting for a very long time. This is very good, guys, to introduce players. It's a great thing. Thank you very much to everyone who is watching and who watched the game. It's a good thing. It's the best thing. Thank you very much, guys.